Adding an American Express gift card to the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Some gift cards allow you to register them online and link them to your bank account. Check if your American Express gift card has this option. Now, link your American Express gift card to your PayPal account. Once linked, you can add funds to your PayPal account using the gift card and then transfer those funds to your bank account. After that, you can link your bank account to Cash App. You can use your American Express gift card for purchases directly where it's accepted, including online shopping or in-store transactions. Now, keep in mind that Cash App may charge fees for certain transactions, such as adding funds using a credit card. Additionally, some gift cards may not be compatible with Cash App, so if you encounter any issues, you may need to contact Cash App support for assistance.